We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. And it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yeah, you know, in life you can't please everyone, you know. So that's how life is. And you know, people will always come at you once you do something, whether it's right or wrong. So today, you look at your LCD, you will see three men, yeah man. Two of them, I know them. One of them is my class captain. When I say no, I start personally, you know, you understand. One of them is a senior. The one in the middle is a senior cop. His name is Mikey Phipps. Yeah, those who have joined the police force in the 80s, you know, the middle or late 80s, you know about Mikey Phipps. Mikey Phipps was one of the young detectives from Central back then. Quinston Williams and Quinston Williams and Thomas. I know it's Williams and Thomas. Two police officers that were killed, detectives who were killed downtown in 1991 or 90, thereabouts, decades ago. But it was, you know, men like, you know, those two, Quinston Williams and Desmond. Quinston Williams and Desmond Thomas. Yeah. And it was at the time, you know, when I talk about name brand detective, you know, young police, you know, yeah, it does Mikey Phipps, Quinston Williams, and Desmond Thomas. And then you have a next policeman what them call Webley. Webley is the man what them call captain. Yeah, Webley is the man where them call captain. And Webley is a man where them man then a play, you know. When we say play, it reach up Webley is a policeman with them treat bad. Some people say, boy, Webley used to go to school with my cousin. Two of my cousins. You know, one of them in a politics and the next one living in America. And I call them name. I'm saying a politics, I talk about Jamaica. So these are men back in the days now. So my class captain now, Wayne Joseph, yeah, the man there is not an ordinary policeman. I can tell you, he's an assistant commissioner of police. But when I say ordinary, we are talking about street police. The man I met news several times. I not talk about with him name, but the work that he has done. Walking a robbery, you know, you understand, send 3 corrosion to the departure lounge and them thing there. So, yeah, I tell you, so I'm an ordinary detective and them thing. I'm a class captain. That's the man at the top, Wayne Joseph. Yeah, 1 shot, 1 kill. You know what? You as a criminal and them thing there, you know what? In a robbery and meet up on them man because you're in a go bitter. Yeah, them man they walk in a robbery. That was in the early 90s. A long time them man they make them name out on the street as drive fear in the heart of criminals. Yeah. So I want to use this moment for congratulate him. Yeah man, congratulate Congratulations. So newly promoted Assistant Commissioner of Police, Wayne Joseph. My class captain, Mikey Phipps, that I'm man in Jamaica. Mikey Phipps is a kind of rude boy, police still do, you know, you understand? And Christopher Phillips, that you understand? So I want to congratulate them. Yeah, so some people say, boy, we slow to the gate and all kind of thing, you know. We can't tell you, you know. You just cannot ever, you know, do things to please people. But I truly appreciate, you know, the sentiments expressed by my squad mates from Squad 3. Yeah, man, people I'm training in 1988. I mean, I tell you, so boy, some of them say, yeah, I'm not going to post about them things. Some of them say, you know, like, you know, I'm on say, you know, you know, say, you know, who were a part of Squad 3 in ACP. Say I was a part of Squad 3 with ACP. Wayne Joseph was our class captain, and them complain that I was not quick to congratulate my class captain as I have congratulated ACP Shamian Shan, who is my batchmate and not my squad mate. So if you're police and you understand, batchmate different from squad mate. Batchmate means all of you, you know, train together. Squad mate means your squad, they do things different, but you understand. So they must say I was quick to congratulate Shami and Shan, but I was quick to congratulate Wayne Joseph. And may I tell you, people from Bachin, and they must say Wayne Joseph have been good to me doing training, and they would like to know why the delay in congratulating the man. So boy, so I have to respond positively. I can tell you that I'm not gonna talk about anything that I have discussed with, you know, my class captain, but I truly appreciate the sentiment expressed by my squad mates from Squad 3, and I understand the curiosity surrounding the timing of my congratulations to Assistant Commissioner of Police Wayne Joseph. Let me be clear, it's absolutely clear. My respect and admiration for ACP Joseph are unwavering, and his promotion is one that fills me with immense pride. Happy to know, boy, I'm my class captain, you understand? I want to tell you before we even go any further, there was a guy from our batch. I want to tell you, say, I will fight for keep Joseph because I'm the Irie and him thing. There a guy named Owen Peters. Owen Peters come from Sligoville. Them man that was like Mr. Perfect. Well, I tell you, you know, without training him. And I'm in a fight KC to become the class captain. But you know, for some reason, I tell you, I never like him and them thing. Although, you know, I was an ex-cadet and, you know, underground, and you understand what I'm saying. Before, all of them, although, you know, them swear around before me because all of them were older than yours truly. And we were able to make certain, say, boy, and who the instructor them select. We said, no, we don't want that guy there and them thing. And I was one of the one that, you know, lead the rebellion against Owen Peters. And that's how we have Casey, and see it now, him reach Assistant Commissioner of Police. And so, boy, I tell you something, man like Owen Peters from my batch, from my squad, people would not be surprised if I was the one that lost my job before I had 5-year service, but it was him, based on because of where I'm from. So when you're from a certain community, people already stigmatize you and them already put on a rubber stamp on you, say, you're not gonna make it. And them have a thing where them say, boy, you're not gonna do well, you know. Anytime them tell you that as police, you know, say you're gonna lose your work quick. I tell you that, yeah. Mr. Peters was like a perfectionist. Him lose the work before him have 5. Him lose the work before him have 5 years. Yeah, for them, you know, them say allegedly there's some corruption thing, and my name never mix up in them thing there. So you see, a country them man they come from, and me come from in a belly of the beast. So them never expect me to do well. So congratulations again to ACP Joseph and the other 2 newly promoted Assistant Commissioner Police. So doing our training, Wayne Joseph was not just our class captain. He was a pillar of discipline, integrity and leadership. He set his high standard for all of us to follow, leading by example with a level of dedication that made us all better recruits and ultimately better police officers. His unwavering commitment to duty was evident from those early days, and it's no surprise that he has now risen to this prestigious rank within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The truth is, some things are worth taking the time to say properly And my congratulations to ACP Joseph was never in doubt. Only the moment in which I expressed them. I was swift to congratulating ACP Charmaine Shan because as a batchmate, we have shared different experiences along the journey. However, my connection with Wayne Joseph as our Squad 3 class captain is one that carries a unique bond of camaraderie, forged through intense training and sheer challenges. I can't tell you still as much as I'm a class captain. Him not Casey normally call me Porter, him normally call me Christopher or Chris. And very rare people, call me by I just say him always do it. He my only one from the batch call me by my first name. Then you have some others now who call me CP, or you understand, and some will try to use it. You understand what I'm saying? Use the community where I come from, and some of them, boys call me Sprangler. And I don't know them come by them things because I never see myself as based on, Sprangler and Jungle, and because you have a guy from my senior batch named Dury Wilson. He come from Curry Party or Jungle. He graduated before me. I don't think he get all any promotion in the police force. Dury Wilson. He come from Curry Party or Jungle. And I don't even know which part him did, where he was transferred after him graduate, but I never see him again from, but growing up, him come from the next part, Concrete Jungle. Yeah, so to my fella, Squad 3 members who voiced their concern, I want to assure you that ACP Joseph's promotion is one that I celebrated wholeheartedly. His ascent to the rank is a testament to the leadership. We all recognize him to be from the very beginning. He has earned it through hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment to justice. Wayne Joseph was good to me during training, and I will always respect and appreciate his leadership. Today, I proudly salute him as Assistant Commissioner of Police Wayne Joseph, a leader, a role model, and an outstanding law enforcement professional who continue to make us proud. So congratulations once again, ACP Joseph. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is fortunate to have a leader of your caliber, and we, your Squad 3 brothers and sisters, stand with you in full support as you take on this new and well-deserved responsibility. Respect always, say a Porter. So, I congratulated the newly promoted Assistant Commissioners of Police, and I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Assistant Commissioner of Police Wayne Joseph, ACP Michael Phipps, and Assistant Commissioner of Police Christopher Phillips, and their well-deserved promotions within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So this milestone is not just a recognition of your service, but a testament to your dedication, professionalism, and unwavering commitment to upholding the rule of law in Jamaica. But come to think, so each of you has demonstrated exemplary leadership in your respective roles, ensuring that the security and investigative arm of the JCF remains strong and effective. So EACP Wayne Joseph, as the head of the Criminal Investigation Branch, has been at the forefront of some of the most critical crime-fighting effort, leading team in tackling complex cases and ensuring justice is served. His elevation to ACP status reinforced the JCF trust in his investigative expertise and his ability to command such vital unit within the force. And I thought them would then ACP Michael Phipps is the commanding officer of Era 4, oversee one of the most challenging regions in policing, covering Kingston and St. Andrew. Except St. Andrew North. St. Andrew North in Era 5. I don't know how them come by that, because St. Andrew North, which is Era 5, you have to drive through Era 4 to go to St. Thomas in Era 5. All them madness them, but I don't know them come by that. Them should have do it just like how the map of Jamaica stay. But hey, I saw it go on them thing, them people them smart. I don't know what kind of smartness that. So I understand. So Michael Phipps, them normally call him Mikey Phipps. His leadership in this high intensity division has been instrumental in crime reduction strategy, community policing initiative, and operational effectiveness. His continued service in this role now with the full ACP rank underscore his ability to navigate the dynamic and demanding nature of urban policing. Then you have ACP Christopher Phillips, leading Era 5, has shown a remarkable dedication to maintaining law and order across a vast and diverse geographical area. His leadership has contributed to strategic crime fighting initiatives and strengthened relationships between the police and the community there serves. Having already acted in the capacity of ACPs, this official promotion solidifies your authorities, responsibilities, and the confidence that the Jamaica Constabulary Force High Command has in your abilities. The challenge ahead will be many, but your proven track records assure the Jamaican people that the nation's security remains in capable hands. As you embark on this new chapter in your careers, I encourage you to continue leading with integrity, courage, and unyielding commitment to justice. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, and indeed the people of Jamaica, rely on steadfast leadership like you to uphold the principle of law and order. Once again, congratulations, and may your tenure as Assistant Commissioner of Police bring forth even greater success in the fight against crime and the pursuit of a safer Jamaica. Respectfully, yeah man, Chris Porter, ex-detective St. Andrew South. Yeah man, and you know saying I South, yeah man, the South that are where the best, well, some of the best, brightest and bravest. And some are thief the most, some are thief in police them too, you mean? Yeah, so it go. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, congratulations again, Casey. Congratulations, Mikey Phippa and Christopher. Yeah man, so all the best to you guys and stay safe. Remember, you know, I tell you this. You know, trust no one and no one will harm you. Be careful who you eat from. Be careful who you drink with. I just saw it go. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.